single leg glute wind up with a weight. I'm going to stand on one leg, hang on to something for balance on that same side, weight in the opposite hand. As I kick back, I'm going to rotate in towards my stance leg. I'll stand up, I'll twist the hips out. Back and in, up and out. I ideally want to feel a stretch at the bottom position in the outside of the glute. As you kick back, we want to hinge forward. We don't want to bend down like this as I go back. I don't want to have that knee very bent. Knee always stays slightly bent. I'll reach back and twist.